How's it going, Castellonians? My name's Masscast, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my new gaming monitor here, which I talked about in my Resident Evil 4 video. If you haven't checked it out, link in the description below. But it's my new gaming monitor. It is, can't read this. I'll see if I could do some close-ups. I don't know if I will, but 1440p, 27 inches. It's IPS, 165 hertz, and whatever eye care technology, which every fucking monitor has. Don't know what the monitor is. It's Lenovo G27q-20 flat panel monitor. Now, if you guys don't know, I think the American version of this one is actually called the Lenovo Legion 27q-20. So they're pretty much the same product. The difference is this is not called the Legion, and this one has looks a lot better in my opinion. Like this stand looks better, and just the monitor in general, I think better and clean that version. So we're gonna try opening it up. I don't know if I'm gonna be staying on the floor, but we'll see. So yeah, let's open it up. So I'm not sure how to open it up, but figure it out together, hopefully. Oh, it opens up over here. Let me try to move the camera. At least I'll get out of the way so you can see the box a little more. Also, don't worry about the wires. I know it looks hideous. Tell me about it. Also, I know there's Mountain Dew in this. Whatever. Oh, this isn't the greatest way of doing it, but what I got. Here's a little bit of the items. As you can tell, we got our stand here. It's, to be honest, fucking massive. Probably tell. Toolless, which is pretty cool, but yeah, you can look at the stand here. For me personally, it looks better than the Legion because the Legion has like it's 3 holes on each side. That's blue inside. Even though I don't really like blue, but I'm gonna get a vase mount at one point, so I don't need this stand. But no, pretty. Alright. We got a limited warranty. I know it's pretty hard to see because it's so bright, but whatever. Got our how to build, whatever. We have our energy rating sticker. We have a power cable, European of course. Comes with this display port. Here it is, display port. So now hopefully it's not going to be the same as my old monitor, which I'm recording on right now, which is a BenQ XL2411. That before was called Zowie. You might have the version that's called P or something like that. If you have the new, it also has DisplayPort. Mine has DVI. It's that old. It was the first monitor I ever bought, but it actually had a dead pixel on it, which is fun, of course. So hopefully my track record is gonna be better, and this one doesn't have it. So here we go. Here's the arm. It's really nice, actually. Quite plasticky, but what do you expect? So we got a bag of 4 screws. I'm guessing that's for the sides here. I'm not gonna be using that. So, but yeah. Oh, it's for back here. That makes sense. I'm actually gonna move up the camera real quick so you can see me as well. At least somewhat see me. It doesn't matter. Alright, here we go. Now I made it all dirty and shit. Really nice. Made it look really dirty. I'm sorry. Move you over. 27 inches, really nice. It only has a little Lenovo logo over here, and that's it. Let me just lay it out so I can put you guys close and see it. Alright guys, so here the monitor is. It's just laying down right now. We got the stand right here. It's very nice. It's very minimal. I like that. We got the power cable again over here. We got a DVI cable here. Here we got the stand, which I still don't really like. We got the little clip that plugs into these holes right here and right here. Then we got the back of the monitor. We got the mounts here, so where this is gonna screw on nicely. They're plain. To be honest, this monitor, it doesn't really look like a gaming monitor. I'm not gonna lie, it looks more like an office monitor. So if you work in an office and you don't want people to think that you're some sort of gamer, probably get a VESA mount, and then this should be fine. We got the ports here. We got the power port. We got the HDMI, display port, and aux cable, if that's your thing. We got some buttons over here, which is like Like, I think this is the like switch to HDMI or DisplayPort. We got some other stuff. I'm not really sure what they do, but we got some power button at the bottom. And here we got the monitor itself, 27 inches. Lenovo. We can look at some stuff here. 27-inch QHD, IPS or in-plane switching, 165 Hz, 1 millisecond response time. Here are eye care technology and FreeSync Premium, which means it is G-Sync compatible. Now we're gonna take this off because I don't understand why people keep these on. So peel that off and put that on the box. There you go. We have very minimal. Got a little light there. You can't really see it right there. So I'm gonna go clean up this mess. I do have a little cloth that I got from my Oculus Rift. Gonna set it over on the table. Move. I know it's a mess, okay? Don't look at it. Move that monitor. I also left the new computer. As soon as I'm done with it, you guys will get a new setup tour. That's the monitor I'm recording on right now. As you can see, hello. That's a 24-inch. That's gonna go there, and the 27-inch is gonna go there. So that should be really nice. But yeah, so let me just build this, and we'll get into it. Alright guys, I just recorded this section before, but my OBS stopped recording, so I'm sorry about that. But pretty much what I was going through was I was showing you the monitor. So it's a little shaky. I've taken off the tripod you get with the webcam. So let me turn you around again so we can look at the monitor. Alright, sorry about the unsmoothness, but I had to take down the exposure quite a bit. So here the monitor is 1440p, 27 inches. The only little annoyance is the buttons are on the back of this side, which I have my second monitor on, and on the bot, and that little light is kind of annoying as well. But you can just put some electrical tape or the tape you use for football or soccer, as you Americans call it, on like the shin guards. You can get like shin guard tape. Put some black like duct tape or whatever top of it, and it should be good. It's really nice. I put a Dark Souls background because that's one of my favorite games. We got OBS over here now, which is really nice because this is, this is actually like a 1080p monitor, so I can actually see what it shows. But that does not make any sense. But I can actually read like text on it. Like it's actually like clean. I can read it, which I can't on the other one that was here that you just saw. Also, don't worry about the cables. From tech source, please don't hurt me. The new computer over there. You guys will see something about that soon when I get my new graphics card. But so yeah, 1440p. All I've done so far is change the background because I had a 1080p background, and I've been here. Oh, you can't read that at all. I'm very sorry. It's very, very bright. Let me try to take the exposure even further down. There you go. It's gonna be really unsmooth. But as you can probably see, we have the monitor up here, and it shows this NVIDIA logo inside. That means it's G-Sync compatible. So I know it's impossible to read. That's just because the focus really there. You can see 2560 by 1440p native at 165 Hz. Now it doesn't look like that because the cam again is, as I told you. Here we go. And if you go over here and you go down to set up G-Sync, it's compatible. Alright guys, a quick input reel here. As you can probably see on the screen, in the little bubble with like an eye on it, it says that this monitor is not compatible. The reason why it wasn't compatible at the time, I didn't realize this until like way later, is because I have forgotten to update the GeForce. Because if you check on the website, it says that it needs the 461.10 update or 20 update or something like that for this 1440p monitor to be supported, G-Sync. But now that I've updated GeForce Experience and the drivers, it is now allowed to work. So it is supported. There's just, at this point, I didn't have the drivers installed for it. So, very nice. I didn't realize it, but there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you soon. Love y'all. So pretty much all you need to do is just enable whatever. Enable for full screen mode. You can also do it on window and full screen mode, and then enable settings. Click apply. Your monitors will flash. I've already set it up, so it won't anymore. And then in here, I had to do the set up multiple monitors. And before it was the BenQ XL2411 set. That was my main. I had to change it now, and I put it sort of in the middle, so it makes more sense. So when I'm at the top of the monitor, it won't switch over, but when I'm at the middle, so it kind of fits the perfect size sort of stuff. But yeah, that's it. Again, sorry for this super stuttery look. So there you go. That's the 1440p monitor. I don't know if I'll show you any recordings of games because I won't be able to run most games at 1440p on a GTX 1060 from Lenovo. It's blower style, so it's even worse than a normal 1060. But now I have it, so I'll probably just run a lot of games on 1080p on my 1440p monitor, if that's possible. I don't know. I know nothing about 1440p monitors. I just know it's IPS and it was super cheap, so I had to go. And of course, we got the Messcast already. I can't say that word. Gaming channel right here. But if you're not subscribed to, then what are you doing? Right there. I'm already subscribed on my second account, on my main YouTube account. With notifications. Remember to do that. Thank you very much. Just upload a Resident Evil video. You need to go watch it. I actually took a lot of time into it. Very good. But yeah, 118 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. You guys are all fucking insane. Next level people. Know how to hold a camera, obviously. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Awesome. Being true to yourself. Love y'all so much. But yeah, that's the monitor. Alright guys, so that's the Lenovo G27q-20, I think it was called. Also known as the Legion version in America, I think. But that's the monitor. I really, really like it. It looks amazing. Like, the quality is just crazy. I haven't even tried watching a 1440p video on it anyways, or yet. Sorry. Because most 1440p videos I watch are actually Escape from Tarkov videos, because otherwise it looks horrible. So, I even watch 1440p videos on my 1080p monitor, and still look better. So, I don't know. Just YouTube. But, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's probably not the most professional tech video you've ever seen a monitor review. I don't have crazy cool camera angles and whatnot. I do have a recording on my phone, which should have been shown, I hope. But guys, no matter what, guys, thank you so much for this video. There's not much else to say. Again, I just got it, as you saw. I really like it. I hope it's gonna be good. it should be good. But guys, thank you so much for this video. If you liked it, remember to punch that like button. And really hope you had an amazing day. Or, well, have an amazing day, depending on when you watch. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see all y'all in the next video. Peace.